My tip number 1 for you is to set your personal investing goals. What do I mean by this? Let me take a minute and first explain this word personal. Each one of us is an individual with our own priorities and the things that we value above all else. All of us have different types of lifestyles, different dependencies, different liabilities, and different priorities. All of us are in different stages of our life. Some of us may have a whole host of dependents. Some of us, choose to live a freelancing lifestyle where we travel around the world without anything to weigh us down. Some of us like to spend our money on things like cars, shoes, bags, and some of us like to spend our money on jewelry, maybe a fancy home, or maybe eating out. There are no right or wrong answers. Each one of these are choices that you have made based on the things that you think are important, and these are the ones that give you the most joy. Understanding this about yourself is a journey of reflection and introspection. And it is really important that you understand what are the things that will bring you the most joy so that you can make goals that are perfect for you. And that is what I mean by setting your personal investing goals. Knowing the kind of life that you would like to live will help you understand how you need to allocate money to various different things in your life that cost money. So therefore, the starting of any investment journey has to begin with knowing what you want out of your investments. Therefore, start your personal journey today, reflect, introspect, understand what are the things that are important to you yourself and not what are the given right answers by society.